Okay, again I will give you a definition. One more thing we are going to discuss. If something is like this one is complete sector. But if from this sector, what I am doing, I will just take a part by using, see, this one is the line I have joining, and see, I just need the area. I'll tell you which one. See this one. If I need this only green area, this green area is known as what? इस green area को क्या बोलेंगे? What we will say this green area? See, this is known as what? Segment. But it is known as segment. Okay, I'll write here the area which we have taken now. Segment. Okay, so can you tell me which how can we define segment? Segment को किस तरह से define किया जा सकता है? See, segment is the area enclosed by a arc and chord. AC, you can just go over this AC. AC क्या दिख रहा है? AC is a chord ना? And see the outer part. This is arc. So a segment is what? Segment is area enclosed by what? Chord and arc. By chord and arc, if any area is enclosed by chord and arc, that area is known as what? Segment. That is known as segment. Okay, so these are the things we need to study about circle. सर्कल के लिए ये सारे पॉइंट्स तुम लोगों को पढ़ने हैं. फर्स्ट वन इज सेंटर. अ सेंटर इज अ फिक्स्ड पॉइंट विच इज यूज्ड टू ड्रॉ अ सर्कल, लाइक वी आर हैविंग इन दिस वन. अगर हम इसमें बात करें तो हमारे पास सर्कल के अंदर कौन सा सेंटर है? वन बाय वन आई विल डिफाइन एवरीथिंग अगेन. सी दिस ओ पॉइंट, this O point. Okay, I will write here point O. This O point is what? It is the center. Then radius. Radius is what? A straight line joining the center to any point of circle. Center से point को join करता है, like OA. देखो OA क्या है? Radius. Then OB. OB क्या है? Radius. है ना? Then OC. OC भी क्या है? Radius. You can see all these points OA, OB and OC are joining from center to any point to circle. So these are what? Radius. Then diameter. Diameter is what? A line passing through the center of circle. एक line जो center of circle से pass होती है and join two other points. कोई और दो points को join करती है, like BC. Okay, BC. BC is what? BC is a diameter. Then chord. See, chord is what? Any line which is joining. Chord क्या है? कोई भी एक ऐसी line जो join करती है सर्कल के दो parts को. Like you can see DE. देखो जो DE है वो क्या है हमारे पास? chord. You can see DE. The AC. See this one AC. AC is what? AC is also a chord. AC भी एक chord है. Okay. Then segment. Segment is what? Area enclosed. उससे पहले अच्छा arc. Okay, before segment we will discuss about this arc. So arc is what? Arc is like this PQ, this AC. Okay, part of the boundary of a circle. I have already written this PQ. Like we can also write AC. AC as arc. AC एक arc भी है. You can see this is also the part of the boundary of a circle. Part of the boundary of a circle is known as what? Arc. Then sector. Okay, then sector is what? Sector is the complete area enclosed by two radius and one arc. You can see, देखो ये वाला जो एरिया है ना जो मैं शेड कर रहा हूं पूरा, देखो ये वाला, ये पूरा क्या है? दिस वन इज सेक्टर. देखो ना दो रेडियस है यहाँ पे OB एंड OA एंड वन आर्क इज देयर AB. सो दिस AOB, देखो एरिया ए ओ बी, एरिया ए